Brayden. Here. Over there. Come on. Come get it. You can have the magazine. Good job. It's right here. Come on. Good boy. That's my Scooter. Scoot a little farther for it, crazy kid. Come on, all the way over here. Did you get a little piece? Come on. You can do it. Good boy. Good boy. Here, scoot up to the stuff. Good boy. There you go. Good job. Good job. Here, if we move it back a little farther. Okay, let go. Good job. Come on, a little further. Brayden. Hi. Now where are you going? Here, you play over here. Nope, 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 not the little piece. Come get the magazines. Brayden, are you reading?